The most crucial survival tool isn't what you'd expect, and you might not even have it in your pack. Having the right tools and gadgets can mean the difference between thriving and merely surviving in challenging situations. To stay safe and ready for anything, you'll need the most innovative survival gear for your needs. Let's dive in and explore these amazing tools that could potentially save your life when you need them most. When darkness falls, these emergency glow sticks become invaluable. Ultra bright and visible from up to a mile away, they provide 12 hours of 360-degree illumination. They're waterproof, non-toxic, and don't leak, making them safe and reliable in any situation. Whether you're camping, fishing, or facing an emergency, these glow sticks provide crucial light when you need it most. The TitanSpin isn't just a tool set, it's a pocket-sized marvel. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, each card in the TitanSpin set is a masterpiece of design. It blends functionality with fun, featuring a fidget spinner for those moments of pause. Whether you're tackling daily tasks or venturing into the wild, the TitanSpin has a tool for every situation. It's the perfect blend of practicality and entertainment for tech gurus and outdoor explorers alike. Starting a fire in challenging conditions is a breeze with Phone Scope Pyro Putty. This waterproof and weather-resistant fire starter burns through sleet, rain, and wind. A single quarter-sized dab can create a fire that burns for up to 15 minutes. It's pliable, sticky, and totally waterproof, making it easy to attach to logs or tinder. Whether you're facing a natural disaster or just enjoying a camping trip, Pyro Putty ensures you can always have a fire when you need it. This elite fixed blade knife is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. At 8.6 inches long with a 4-inch blade made of strong D2 steel, it's built to last and perform in any condition. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. What sets this knife apart is the complete kit it comes with: a Kydex sheath, flint rod, G10 scraper, and paracord. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, or fishing, this knife kit has you covered for all your outdoor cutting and survival needs. For those who need more heavy-duty cutting power, the Bushcraft Survival Camping Knife is the answer. This impressive long military-style knife features a razor-sharp blade made of high-carbon steel. It's designed to easily cut through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum without losing its edge. The black G10 handle provides maximum control, and the included Kydex sheath ensures safe carrying. It's the perfect companion for serious bushcraft and survival situations. The EST Gear Camp Survival Axe is a compact powerhouse of functionality. This axe and shovel combo packs 21 survival tools into one portable package. From a knife and saw to a bottle opener and fire starter, it's got everything you need for outdoor survival. Made with high-quality materials and backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee, this tool is ready for any adventure or emergency. Prepare for anything with the Sustain Supply Emergency Survival Kit. This comprehensive 72-hour survival kit includes everything two people need to comfortably survive the critical first days after a disaster. From non-perishable food and water to first aid supplies and essential tools, this kit is packed in a superior quality emergency bag. It's the ultimate preparation for hurricanes, earthquakes, or any emergency situation. The Leatherman Surge is a true powerhouse among multi-tools. This 21-in-1 heavy-duty tool features the largest pliers and longest blades in the Leatherman lineup. It's perfect for electricians, mechanics, plumbers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its interchangeable saw blade and file, the Surge is ready for any task you throw at it. Built to withstand tough jobs, it's a reliable companion for both everyday tasks and professional projects. The Whan Survival Hatchet is a versatile tool that's more than just an axe. It functions as a hatchet, axe, and even a tactical throwing tomahawk. Molly-ready, it attaches easily to your backpack or bug-out bag, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or bushcrafting. Whether you're splitting kindling, building a shelter, or need a multi-purpose survival tool, this hatchet has you covered. Combine outdoor adventure with eco-friendly transportation with the Redstar electric bike. This unique e-bike features a 1,000 watts high-speed motor and a removable 48 volts 20 amp hours battery, allowing you to reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. With its fat tires, dual hydraulic disc brakes, and front and rear shock absorbers, this bike is ready to tackle any terrain. It's perfect for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus is a revolutionary outdoor cooking solution. This innovative stove not only creates a fire for cooking using twigs and wood scraps, but also converts heat into electricity to charge your devices. It eliminates the need for gas canisters, making it eco-friendly and perfect for long trips. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or preparing for emergencies, This stove ensures you can cook and stay connected. Say goodbye to manual inflation struggles with the Zetta 138 SUP Pump. Weighing just 895 grams, this compact powerhouse can inflate your stand-up paddleboard in a mere 10 minutes. It features 4 smart modes: SUP, Kite, Tent, and Custom, making it versatile for various inflatable gear. The best part? It's cordless, allowing you to inflate anywhere, anytime. With its digital sensor for precise pressure monitoring and memory function, the Zetta 138 ensures perfect inflation every time. The KOWWER P1 is your ultimate portable power solution. This innovative generator uses gas canisters for an endless power supply, making it perfect for extreme conditions. Weighing just 4.96 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight yet powerful. The KOWWER P1 functions from 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, ensuring you're never without power, whether you're on a mountain peak or in a desert valley. With multiple charging outputs, it's a true lifesaver for adventurers and emergency preppers alike. Experience elevated comfort with the NightCat Camping Cot Tent. This ingenious shelter keeps you off the ground, away from moisture and creepy crawlies. With easy setup, a rainproof design, and anti-mosquito netting, it's your cozy home in the wilderness. The tent can hold up to 330 lbs and provides ample space for a comfortable night's sleep. It's the perfect solution for solo campers who want a safe and comfortable resting space. The Grail GeoPress is a true lifesaver when it comes to clean water. This 24-ounce bottle can purify water from virtually any source, removing all pathogens, particulates, and chemicals. Perfect for outdoor adventures, global travel, and survival situations, it's as simple as fill, press, and drink. With the GeoPress, you can turn sketchy water into safe, clean drinking water in seconds, ensuring you stay hydrated no matter where you are. For the organized adventurer, we present the Vault 2.0 Modular EDC Bag. Available in 3 sizes, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, this bag system offers unparalleled organization for your everyday carry items. The Max Haul can accommodate up to 120+ items when expanded. For the Flex Pro, the adaptable mid-size master for first aid, tools, or tactical gear, conquering any situation. While the Mini Light attaches easily to your bag or belt for quick access to essentials. Tundra 35 Cooler is a tough cookie. This isn't just a box for your drinks, it's like a mini fridge you can take anywhere. Want to know how much it holds? Try 21 cans, that's a lot of refreshment. It's got a neat basket inside too, perfect for keeping your sandwiches high and dry. It keeps things cold for ages. The lid locks tight, so no worries about spills if it tips over. Whether you're heading to the beach or the mountains, the Yeti Tundra 35 is ready to chill with you. And hey, if you've used any of these gadgets or have your own favorite gear, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared. This is Outdoor Artistry, signing off. But we'll be back with more content soon. Remember, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future videos.